Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Middle Spray Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new middle spray arm. The middle spray arm helps to clean the dishes on the upper dish rack. The main reason you should be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull out the upper rack so we have access to the middle spray arm. All you have to do is grab the base and turn it clockwise as you're looking at it. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the rack. Here's the old middle spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new middle spray arm on, all you have to do is line it up at the base and turn it counterclockwise to snap it in. Once you have it locked in, make sure it spins freely. Then we can push the upper rack back in and then close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.